Hey folks, changes are coming. A cool front making its way toward the valley, and these readings in the 80s. It's a one-day deal. Tomorrow will be a whole lot chillier by this time, probably a good 30 degrees colder than what it is right now. It's 78 in Port Isabel, but 83 Harlingen, Raymondville, 85 in Edinburg, 89 in Rio Grande City. And our lows tonight are not going to cool off all that much. Upper 60s and low 70s because the front doesn't get here probably until after sunrise. So we don't cool off much, but then we don't warm up much tomorrow. Our high temperatures first thing in the morning, low 70s, but they'll fall during the daytime. We'll spend most of the day tomorrow in the 50s. So we go 71, falling into the 50s, and then we stay at only 50 on Thursday, and then back to 65 on Friday. Normal high for this time of year is 73 degrees. Here's a look at cloud cover, and there's a bunch of it today, but we've actually seen some nice breaks. A little bit of sunshine kind of mixed in on the high-resolution satellite today, a mix of clouds and sun, and that's all it's taken to give us temperatures back in the 80s. Well, Future Track brings that front in tomorrow morning. You saw it sneak through 9, 10 in the morning, and it just turns chilly, breezy, and probably damp behind the front. So by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, you're looking at readings probably in the mid-50s instead of 80s like today. Readings in the 50s, clouds, breezy, maybe even windy, and probably some drizzle around the area. So it just gets messy tomorrow afternoon. And then it stays chilly all day Thursday with maybe some isolated showers around. Not quite as windy. And then Friday, things start to taper off, and we start to warm back up. But 50%, 50%, and then 30% for Friday. Look at the rest of Texas. Take a look at this. 82 here, 77 Laredo, 28 in Abilene, 46 in Austin. So we're in shorts and flip-flops down here. They're wearing their winter best up in the middle and northern part of Texas. There's some rain up there as well. Going to get a little messy in parts of the hill country later tonight, early tomorrow. The front comes down, temperatures up there get colder, and there could be some freezing precipitation in parts of the hill country, a little ice perhaps, not much, but a little bit. You get into Thursday, it's still cloudy, it's still chilly, maybe some leftover sprinkles around. By Friday, I think we start the warming trend, but it's a slow process. Friday we warm up a little, but I think by Saturday we probably warm up a lot, probably back in the 80s again for Saturday and perhaps early Sunday. Now the models are in agreement about Sunday though, and they say there'll be a front come in during the afternoon on Sunday, and temperatures are going to drop again. So lots of ups and downs in our 7-day forecast. Look at tomorrow morning. This is 7 a.m. We'll be around 70 down here. San Antonio will be 41, 32 in Dallas, 30 in Midland, and in between there, see that pink stuff? A little bit of ice, again, out in the hill country early tomorrow morning. So if you're headed north, be careful, especially if you're headed out in the hill country. As far as tomorrow afternoon, notice our temperature dropped. San Antonio cools off, Dallas all chilly, but they do see sunshine in northwest Texas tomorrow afternoon, while we will stay cloudy with some sprinkles around. So tonight, cloudy and mild, a low of 68, southeast winds. Then tomorrow, 71, but that's in the morning. It turns windy and colder as the day goes on. Temperatures fall into the 50s. So 50s most of the day tomorrow, then no warmer than 50 on Thursday. Still a couple of sprinkles around. A lot of clouds Friday, but a little bit warmer. Then Saturday, we're up to 83. Sunday, another front arrives. Could trigger a shower or thunderstorm. Showers and cooler on Monday, only 60, and then back to 71 on Tuesday. So lots of ups and downs in the next 7 days. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.